What advice would you give to someone starting in your field?
Don't give up, just focus your goal and always pray to God because God is always with us, to guide us, to help us. If you have trials in life, take note that trials is part of our life.
Why do you enjoy your profession? And what keeps you passionate about it?
One of the reasons why I'm enjoying my profession is I like seeing my patients helping themselves and trying to be better. And it's my sense of duty to help them with their mental health issues and their challenges in life. And what makes me passionate about my profession is I love listening to people's problems, struggles, and helping them how to make it better.
What do you do to stay motivated and avoid burnout?
As a businesswoman, I stay motivated because I have my family who believes in me. Even though I don't know what to do, they are there to guide me. Even if many problems or difficult, they are always there for me.
What skills or knowledge should newcomers focus on developing?
I would say self-confidence and determination. For me, it is important to have these skills to be able to achieve your goals and develop yourself. And I am the proof that they can be the key to having a successful career.
How do you continue to grow and learn in your career?
How did I learn to pursue my pilot profession? I learned from all my mistakes, and all my mistakes inspired me to continue and to learn more.
What are your career goals for the next few years?
Career goals. For me, as a food vlogger, I want to enhance my personal development. I want to help people realize the thing that they didn't know about before, especially on cooking. And just like Arisa did, I want them to know that hard work really pays off. Can you share a story from your career that had a lasting impact on you?
When I was in school, my parents always recognized me by always coming home late. But they didn't understand why I came home like this. I was always the one who was failed and compared to our older sister who was already a doctor. Because of what I experienced, it entered my mind that I need to finish and to show them that I can, so that every professional doctor.
Ano? Saan ka naman galing, ha? Baka kung anong ginagawa mo ng kalokohan, ha?
Mga may kilamos lang. Research.
Research? Kausapin mo nga itong anak mo?
Ano na? Lumaga ka na naman Di ka man lang magsabi sa akin ng mama mo? Paano pag may nangyaring masama sa'yo? Baka nagpupukpo ka na dyan
Bakit lagi ako? Si Joseph hindi niyo makita, lagi may nagagawang mali. Hindi nag-aaral, nagbibisyo. Pero bakit laging ako? Sinasagot-sagot mo na kami? Ha? Di nga ba yung natututunan mo sa kaibigan mo? Bastos ka! Kung na bata ka, tatamaan ka sa akin. Ano? Ha? Pinabastos mo na kami ng tatay mo? Ha? Ganyan ba yung natututunan mo sa mga kaibigan mo? O bakit laging ako? Ikaw kayo mag-aral? Bastos ka! Ano? Magkukulong ka na lang dyan? Ha? Lumabas ka dyan! Bastos ka! Ikaw nga! Kausapin mo yung anak mo? Nagiging bastos masyado eh!
Oo, saglit lang. May ginagawa ako.
Ano na? Nakauwi ka na pala? Kamusta ang trabaho mo?
Ayos lang ma, as usual, maraming pasyente.
Kumain ka na ba?
Hindi pa kayo masyado busy.
Ano? Nagluto ka na ba?
Antayin mo, kumukulo na.
Dami mong inuuna dyan eh.
Si Alin mo ba nakauwi na?
Ayun, nagiging bastos na yung kapatid mo.
All the times you told me not to touch the light, I never thought I couldn't really justify how you even thought it could be right. 'Cause everything we cherish.
Kamusta ka? Balita ko ang dami mong problema. Tibayan mo lang lagi yung loob mo kasi lahat ng problema mo worth it sa dulo.
It was worth
Ano, kamusta ka?
Ayos lang, ikaw
I
kamusta?
can do
Sabi ko naman sa'yo, kaya mo. Alam mo ba, kahit yung si mama at papa,
things will
alam kong proud
soon
sila.
grow from
Sana
the
mapapagod.
banners of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown